Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to review the Xiaomi CW400, and I'm going to share with you some important things that you need to know about this product, some pros and cons. So the first thing is the cable. The cable is 3 meters long and that's really good. The second thing is that the camera can save pictures either in the Xiaomi cloud or a memory card that must be purchased separately. So when I would come here to storage management, you're going to have a cloud that is a Xiaomi cloud or SD card that you have to buy by yourself. Like, you're not going to get the SD card if you're going to buy this camera. So this is like really important if you want to like save it to SD card. You can't save the data to your own cloud. This is like really important information for you. Now, when we are going to go even further to look on more information here, the first thing is going to be the setup. For me, the setup was smooth, but I had Wi-Fi, which is like the 5G or what is called. So I had to create my own, like on my laptop, the hotspot. Only because if I would have the hotspot I couldn't just get it and set it up for my Wi-Fi. So maybe you can have problems with the router, and definitely check what kind of router you have if it's going to be with the connection with the camera. This is a really another thing, important one. Now, regards the app and the camera quality, so I just want to show you right here is that this is how the app looks like and how you would see it. So what I really like is that the app is really easy to use and it's simple and it's effective. So first I can have let's say a video quality. I can have like change it like this. I will show you right here. And when I'm going to rotate it, do you see how amazing the quality is? Right now my main camera just turned off, but you can see clearly everything bright, and this is just in my room and I just wanted to show you how it looks. So this is just amazing, and I just want to show you this. Now what you can do here also is that I can move with it. So look here, I can directly move with the camera. Also, what you can do then, you can have like the audio on and off. Then you can have also that you can have like alarm to set up. It's going to like really scream. Then the microphone. Then if you want, you can just take a picture, or you can start recording like this with this button, and that's something you can do. Or if you want to, you can even use the zoom there. So then when we are going to go further, you're going to have the surveillance there. And the surveillance means that if something happens there, and if you want to, you can set it up. Now, there was one review that was negative, that the surveillance, the motion person recognition didn't really work great. But this is something that you can again set up with the app. Now, when we are going to go also further, you're going to have the playback there, where in playback, you can set it up and see for your cloud on SD card. And I can even click here on the storage management, go on local. So if I'm going to take a picture by myself or record the video, it's going to be in the local, and then I can just watch it with my phone. So this is like also really good. Then you're gonna have the time lapse. So if you want to, you can just like start recording. So this is another thing that you can actually do. And then of course you can move with the camera as much as you want to. So for me, this is like interesting cam to try if you want to. I just wanted to make this quick review and overview of the features that it has. Now, the only thing is that like just be aware of it when you want to use it for your Wi-Fi, that you need to have like a good router for it. Or you can have like extender that you would connect it to. Then you're gonna have also the home surveillance, managed storage here. And like that's, you can also delete device there. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to make this quick and effective. I made like a full guide even how to connect it. But these are the features that you would be getting, and even the quality is good. But just be aware about that it doesn't have same cloud. And then the motion person recognition is mediocre. The motion and the person recognition is not that like amazing for this camera. But other than that, it can be sufficient for your needs. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. Hoping a great day, and goodbye.